Hello, today I'm going to talk about dynamic partitioning and file management in Databricks. Okay, what is the scenario? You have a large data set that needs to be partitioned dynamically based on this certain condition, and you want to optimize file management for better query performance. Okay, and what's the solution? Write code to dynamically determine partition, column, and values. Implement a strategy to manage the number and size of files per partition. Okay, here we go. Import necessary PySpark modules from PySpark.sql. Import Spark Decision and from PySpark.sql import functions as a f. Okay, and create a Spark Decision. Spark Decision is the query, the Spark Decision is the entry point to any Spark functionality. It used to create data frames, register UDFs, and perform other operations. In this code, a Spark Decision is created or retrieve data from name dynamic partitioning. Okay, and here Spark Decision that builder dot app name, and app name is dynamic partitioning. Okay, and get or create. Okay, next step is sample data setup. A sample data set is created with the 3 columns: ID, category, and date. You can extend this data set by adding more rows of data as you need it. Okay, and here, okay, and copy and paste. And next step is define a schema for the sample data. Schema array. Okay, first column is ID, second is category, and finally third column is date. Okay, and data frame creation. The sample data is used to create a PySpark data frame with a specific schema, and we already created this. Okay, and here df it stands for data frame. Okay, Spark that create data frame. First parameter is data here, and the schema equal the schema. Okay. And next step is dynamic partitioning. We need to create a new column. Year month is added to the data frame using with the column method. the data is using a new column is derived from the date column, and it represents the year and months formatted as a YYY dash double M. Okay, and here partition columns. Okay, and here category, and here year, months. Okay, here a new column with the year months name is added to data frame. Okay, in next step. And here data frame. Okay, and data frame call the this method column. Okay, here year, months. It's new column, and date format based on the date column, and new date format is a YYY. It stands for year. Okay, and 2M and months. Okay, and next step is writing to a delta table. Okay, the data frame is written to a delta table using write method with the delta format specify, and here. Okay, df dot write. Okay, that format. Okay, it's a delta table. Okay, and that mode set overwrite. Okay, the mode overwrite option ensures that any existing data in the delta table is replaced. Okay, and next partition by. Okay, and dynamic partitioning is applied by using the partition by method and specify the columns, category, and year, months by which the data should be partitions. Okay, and here asterisk partition columns. Okay, and here dot save in MNT. Okay, and delta table. Oh, sorry. Okay, and finally displaying delta table content. Okay, spark dot read that format and delta, and load from MNT. Okay, then delta table that show. Okay. The content of the delta table is read and display using the read method. Okay. Here, the format delta specifies the delta format, and load method is used to load data from the specified path MNT delta table. Finally, the show method displays the content of the delta table. Okay. And this code illustrates how to use dynamic partitioning to organize and write data efficiently to a delta table in Databricks. The partitioning is based on the category and year month columns, enhancing data retrieval and query performance. Thank you for watching.